everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my recipe on how to make quesadillas de carne asada. So let's get started with our ingredients. We're going to need maseca, we're going to need flour, queso Oaxaca, carne asada, some water, cooking oil, and some salt. Okay, so before we get started here, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the queso. Where I buy it at, it's at the meat market, so the size is about this much. What I do, I like to cut this piece in half because we're gonna have to take it apart. It's almost like string cheese. So we take it apart, and also I like it when it's this smaller piece because it fits better when I'm making my quesadillas. So earlier today, when I got off of work, I started doing this so I could prep for today's recipe, and I have enough for our quesadillas. Next, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the masa. That's a very important part of the quesadilla because we need to get this right. So I'm gonna leave everything out here so you guys can see. I'm gonna work slowly, and I'm gonna pour water and maseca and flour as I go. We're trying to get a consistency where the masa it's nice and not sticking to our fingers. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. I'm gonna start with 1.5 cups of the maseca. And like I said, I'll add as I go. If I need more, I'll add more. So 1 cup and 1/2 of maseca. And then I'm gonna do 1 cup and 1/2 of the flour. And then I'm gonna add my salt. I would say this is like 1/2 teaspoon. And this is 2 cups of water. So I'm just gonna add a little bit because if you add too much, you can't take it back. So it's better to start with less. We're gonna mix the maseca and the flour together. Okay, let me add some more water. Okay, I'm gonna need more water. So if it feels too dry, add some more water, but don't overwater it. And see, sticky hands. So that's what we don't want. We want things to not be sticking to our fingers. And then I'll let you guys know exactly the amount that I use for my water, so you guys could have a more precise recipe, okay? Let me just make sure I get this right first. Oh, it's looking good. Okay. Once you guys have the masa ready, it's gonna be a piece of cake because this is like probably the hardest part of the recipe, getting that good consistency of the masa. So I'm able to pick up everything off the bottom of my bowl with my masa. You see? So that's a good sign. So from here, we're gonna make our quesadillas. Oh, that's a workout. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this aside. And like I said, I'll give you the measurement of the water, because that's very important. So now that I'm done with my masa, I'm gonna be able to start making my quesadillas. Okay. So you guys are gonna need a plastic bag to put on the tortilla smasher. That's what I'm gonna call it. So I'm gonna place it like this. Could you place it for me? I'm gonna make sure that you guys get a good angle. Okay. So since I already have my masa ready and I already have my carne asada ready, the carne doesn't have to be hot because you're gonna put it through the frying oil, so it could be cold. Mine is cold because yesterday I had tacos de carne asada, so I had some left over, so that's pretty helpful. So I'm gonna get my cooking oil ready, so when I'm done, or when I'm making the quesadillas, this is already warming up. I'm putting my oil at medium heat, and we want, these are gonna be deep fried, so you want the whole bottom of the pan to be covered. Maybe about ½ inch of oil. Okay, so we're gonna let that heat up. And for the masa, we want to make them, let's see, about that size. We're gonna make them pretty thin. Maybe as thin as a tortilla, because they need to be folded over, and then we're gonna place the queso and the meat. Okay, so I'm waiting for my oil to heat up. We'll come back and I'll show you guys how to do the rest of the recipe, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how to make the quesadillas. So I went and I made my masa into these small little balls, bolitas de masa, I like to call them. And we are gonna put them in our machine. Make sure that the plastic covers both the bottom and the top of the machine. So I'm gonna place it here. We're gonna smash it down like if you guys are making a tortilla. So you want that thinness, okay? Smash it down. A little more. Okay. I'm gonna add my queso. It's helpful if you keep the plastic underneath the masa. It almost helps you mold the quesadilla. And the queso, you guys could put as much queso as you want. The same thing with the carne asada. And having it this way, it helps you shape it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it over like if I'm making a taco. And I'm going to smash the ends together. This is gonna help the queso and the carne from falling out of the quesadilla. See? It's nice and helpful because it's just very smooth. And then we're gonna take it out of the plastic bag. And you guys have a beautiful quesadilla, so ready to go into the hot oil. Okay, let's go this way so you can see. Make sure that the quesadilla is all the way into the hot oil. And what I like to do too, I do this with either my spatula or my spoon, whatever that I'm using to flip it over. Cover the top of the quesadilla with the oil. It's gonna cook for about 1.5 minutes on each side. You guys want it to have a nice golden brown. So our quesadillas are ready and they look delicious. Like you can tell, that's kind of, but this is the look you guys are going for, the golden brown. Today I'm gonna eat my quesadillas with crema mexicana, and I'm also gonna put some green salsa. You guys can look up this recipe under the best green salsa. This pairs very well with these type of quesadillas. So what I'm gonna do, oh, let me show you. So I'm gonna break it up. See, you see the carne, you see the cheese, and we're gonna put some crema. And we're gonna add some salsa. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Recommend me to all your family members, friends, everybody. I'm gonna be posting some more recipes here shortly, but keep posted. I'm gonna, oops, you see, that's a good part. I'm gonna add my salsita verde, and I'm gonna enjoy some dinner. So see you guys soon. Provecho!